Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok display. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok display, you should just go to settings. Here on this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, we will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. You will find clear data. Don't click here because that can give you a lot of errors or problems on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.